Hey there, so I was looking on this post on Reddit if dyson v12 turns off automatically and what you can try to do to actually fix this issue. Maybe this is going to be beneficial, maybe not, I don't know. Sorry if it's this like useless for you. So this guy just wrote here that he had like problem here. I cleaned the filter, the bin, like he cleaned everything based on the videos, but then he said that I had the exact same problem and I've enough with 2 months of useless back and forth with the European support. Even though I thoroughly washed and cleaned the original filter, it kept shuttering off for some reason. So today I received a third-party replacement filter from Amazon and problem solved. So this is something that you want to check out. Maybe I'm going to link it down below in the description. That what you can try to do, maybe it's going to work out. That you're gonna have a replacement filter, and this is something that you can try and maybe it's going to fix it for you. I'm not going to say that like it's definitely going to fix it, but also based on this comment, maybe that was the issue, how to actually like solve it. So yeah, I don't know if this was useless or no. So hope this video is going to help you, and the replacement part is going to actually fix it for you. So have a great day and goodbye.